Welcome to Happy Hour. How are you doing? This is take 95, so I better get it right this time. This month we're focusing on gin. Why did I choose gin this month? Well, I think gin can make for some very refreshing, light, enjoyable, relaxing cocktails to be shared in nice summer weather. We still have a little bit of summer left, so that's why I'm leaning into gin. And I also thought gin's a little bit underutilized. You have Negronis and martinis, but you know, there's French 75. There's a bunch of drinks you can make with it, but I just like focusing on and finding other drinks to make with gin because I think that gin is the superior clear spirit, in my opinion. So I'm going to show you how to make a few drinks with gin for these last waning weeks of summer that we have here in Maine for our 2-day-long summer season. So this episode, we're going to make a drink called the Summer Breeze. The rest of the song we can't afford. In a Collins glass full of ice, add the following: 1 1/2 ounces of gin. I'm going to use Beefeater gin because it's very light and crisp and sharp and dry. And you'll see why in a second, because the second ingredient is going to be 1 ounce of Aperol, Campari's nicer cousin. Fruity. Still a bit bitter, but also sweet. And then we're going to add 5 or so dashes of orange bitters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or so. Let's grab a spoon, give that a little swazzle while we top it with soda. There you go. And then we'll just garnish this little beauty with a nice healthy orange rind. Express and drop it in. Now you can tell by the look of that this just screams summer. If you came out with a tray of these, like everyone in the backyard party cheers for you, very politely, you know, golf claps. Let's try it out though. If an orange were a cocktail, it would taste like this. Now the gin is doing it, like, why didn't I use vodka for this? Because gin is not the predominant flavor. But it is, it's kind of in there. Because you have an underlying crisp sharpness, and then you have the bitters, the oranginess of the bitters, and the oranginess of the rind and the oils expressed, and then also the citrusness of the Aperol. This is a refreshing drink. I feel like everyone in your garden party would really enjoy one of these. The Summer Breeze. This has been Happy Hour, brought to you by Maine Spirits. You can learn more about this drink and many other drinks at mainspirits.com. You can download their app for your smartphone, which is a smart move. What to buy, where to buy it, and what to do with it once you get it. You can also follow them on Instagram at Maine_spirits, but no matter what you do, especially in these beautiful summer months, please drink deliciously and, most importantly, responsibly.